What's up guys, so we are just a few weeks far from official release of Samsung Galaxy S20 family. It's happening on 11th February 2020. Well, no such a thing is left behind to show off on event. We have almost everything, we know every feature and every design point. A leakster XDA developers leaked hands-on video of Samsung S20 Plus which clearly showed the design and camera module at the back side, and also 120Hz refresh rate is now also confirmed through some leaked pictures. And then another leakster, Ishan Agarwal, leaked the Samsung S20 Ultra's camera module. We obtained it somehow, and now we have the official look of Samsung S20 Ultra from back and front sides. And here you can actually see the camera setup. It is almost same as leaked by Ishan a few days ago, but then he leaked this one picture showing every design point, and this camera module really looks cool, because we have seen some renders before this leak that were showing really an ugly camera design which has an irregular arrangement of camera setup and camera sensors on that module, but that wasn't true. The true setup is here. You can see in S20 Ultra we have a quad camera setup at the rear side with 108 megapixel primary lens, which is Samsung's own made custom 108 megapixel lens, and that captures really amazing shots with too much details. And then we have a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a macro lens or a TOF sensor. This is not sure for now. Also, this camera module has a 100x title mentioned on it, as well as a space zoom word is also written, which obviously means it's gonna take on some of the best camera smartphones of 2019 like Pixel 4 and Mate 30 Pro, because it will have a periscope lens that could go all the way up to 10x optical zoom without losing any quality, and up to 100x digital zoom that may be a bit lower in quality. And this is going to be a game changer device from Samsung. Also, prices of Samsung S20 series has been leaked by Ice Universe, who has also the best record in leaking devices from Samsung and all over the brands. So we will talk about it later in the video. That was S20 Ultra camera module and overall design. Also, we have a punch hole camera setup at the front side which will be having a 40 megapixel sensor. So Samsung S20 Ultra is absolutely gonna be a game changer. Now let's talk about the S20, which is a base model. So here we have renders for S20, which also has an punch hole selfie shooter, but I think this could be a 32 megapixel sensor, not sure about that, and it could be the 40 megapixel same sensor like of S20 Ultra, not sure. Anyways, we have a triple camera setup at the back side which includes a 12 megapixel simple wide angle lens, a 64 megapixel telephoto lens, and then another 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And S20 5G look almost same from outside, but there will be little difference from inside, as there will be a 4G and 5G connectivity games. And then variant left behind is S20 Plus, which we have already seen in leaked hands-on video. Well, that will also have a 40 megapixel selfie shooter, a quad camera setup at the back side including a 12 megapixel wide angle lens, a 64 megapixel telephoto lens, and another 12 megapixel lens which is ultra wide angle. And the fourth one may be a TOF sensor, I mean the time of flight sensor, or a macro lens, not sure about it also. Now let's have a look at the pricing. So base model Galaxy S20 4G variant is priced at $993 US, and 5G variant is priced at $1,103 US, while S20 Plus with 4G variant will cost you same as 5G variant of S20, that is $1,103, but 5G variant will cost you almost $1,213. And then coming to S20 Ultra 5G, that will be $1,490 costly, and we have no 4G variant in S20 Ultra. So that were new leaks and rumored prices, also the official S20 Ultra renders. I hope you liked it. Let's wait for 11th February when Samsung will officially announce S20 family. Till that, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.